a lot of messages from you guys related to US dropshipping. Do we sell any courses? How I can start US dropshipping? So I took a moment and decided, why not make it easy for you? So I decided to do a US dropshipping challenge, but in a different style. Let me show you. To begin with, I need a website for myself. So I played smart this time. I took the help of an AI to design and customize my whole store. I just have to sign up into it. So you might be wondering, this sounds quite really impossible. It is possible. I took the help of Drop Genius. It's an AI powered platform that helps dropshippers to customize their whole store with the help of an AI within a matter of time. So I quickly went to Drop Genius official website and then I signed up into it. For signing up, I required an email. So firstly, I sign up through my email, and after that, we need to purchase a plan. So you can purchase the plan according to your requirement. So after purchasing the plan, you will be getting the access of your store on your given email that you have provided while signing it up. So once you will get the admin access, you can access your store. So your AI designed store looks quite really well integrated with Shopify. All the basic customization is being done with the help of AI. The rest of things like the image banner and your products and everything is on your own. You can design as per your choice. So after this, here comes the most important part, that is finding a winning product for myself. So I am a big Star Wars fan. So recently, while I was scrolling through my TikTok account, I found this one reel that reminded me of my childhood, that is a lightning saber sword. So if you have ever seen Star Wars in your childhood, you might be wanting the same product. So I always wanted to get this lightning saber sword so that I can have a sword of my own, and whosoever tries to trouble me, I will just beat them off through my lightning sword. So jokes apart, let's come to business. So I found this reel very attractive. I decided to why not to search for this particular product on TikTok, on Google and on Instagram also. So I searched for lightning saber sword. I saw a lot of reels of this particular product. It was all over US market and so those who are fan of Marvel, DC and animes, we can definitely target them, and this product was all over the internet. So I decided I am going to sell this product for sure. Now that I know what product I'm going to sell, here comes the second problem, that is of finding a good supplier for this product. So I particularly trust Spocket. So I have done a lot of US dropshipping previously with my friends. So this one particular platform that they have been using for quite long time, that is Spocket. So Spocket is a great supplier platform if you're trying to scale your products in US market or European market. They have a huge supplier base in these particular markets. And plus, their shipping charges are quite really low as compared to other competitors. And the best and the most amazing part is that they provide deliveries within a week. Isn't that amazing? The most common problem when you are looking for a supplier is that even if you are getting a product in a very low cost, the only problem comes is that the delivery time is more than 15 to 20 days, mostly on AliExpress. But Spocket solves it all. So that is why delivery does really matters for me, because if I'm not going to deliver a product in time that my customer wants, so there will be a high chance I won't get any conversions while advertising that product if the delivery time is very long. So that is why delivery time does really matters for me a lot. That is why I decided to go with Spocket. So without wasting a lot of time, I quickly signed up to Spocket's platform, and after signing up, I must say their interface was very user friendly. So they have a lot of section like winning products and those products that are quite really popular in US market and European market, and they have this filter going on through which you can decide which country you would like to target on, and the trending products that are working great on these particular countries. And they also have this very cool feature that is of AliExpress scraping. So what happens is that if you're looking for some product that is not available on Spocket's platform, you can search for that particular product in AliExpress and you can definitely scrape it down to your Spocket platform. So I quickly searched for my product that I am going to sell. So I searched for lightning saber sword, and luckily they have this product that I wanted to sell. And the best thing was that they were providing free shipping. So I quickly pushed that product into my store, but I was confused about the price, at what price I should sell it for. So I quickly went to Google to search what my competitors are doing. So I searched for this particular product, and there were tons of websites that were selling the same product, but they were selling at a higher price than I expected. So I decided to match up their price, but not high as they were selling it for. So after searching all over internet, to see at what price I should sell my product for. So it's time for me to make a product page for myself. I took the help of PP ads and Minea, and PP ads works well for me. My personal favorite is PP ads because they also provide product link of the product. Along with that, a lot of data of your competitor's website. So after doing it all, I exactly knew how I want my product page to look like. So I downloaded a lot of GIFs and images from my competitor's store. Along with that, I took the help of ChatGPT for writing content for my particular page with emoji benefits. And after doing all this research, I quickly started customizing my product page, and this took a while. So after doing it all, here comes the final step, that is of running ads. So for running my ads, especially for US or European markets, I personally go for TikTok ads because I've seen a lot of better conversion on TikTok as compared to Facebook, because those who do dropshipping, they already know like a lot of audience is quite really active buyers on TikTok. So, but I did really have a less budget, so I decided that I will try my hands on Facebook as well, and to see if there's any chance I can get some cheaper sales on Facebook as compared to TikTok, because TikTok is quite really on the expensive side, but you do get quite good results from TikTok. So I wanted to try my hands on both the platforms. So after this, I quickly started looking for video ad creatives of my lightning saver sword that can attract customers to buy my product. So I went across all over TikTok to find some good video creatives that have a high conversion rate, but that too I have to test it myself. I didn't rely fully on TikTok. I tried my hands on Instagram Reels as well, but I found quite really good Reels on TikTok, so I quickly downloaded those Reels from TikTok. Then I also remembered one thing. Quickly saw a story of my friend, and he had the same lightning saber sword. So after seeing his story, I called him and I asked him if I can borrow his sword for like 1 to 2 days and try my hands on making my own Reels this way. And he agreed. So after the sword was delivered to my home, but I must say, the experience of playing with these lightning saber swords will make you feel like that you are a character of Star Wars. So with the help of my friend, I started playing around and made 1 to 2, 3 reels out of this product and get them edited through my editor. And once the edited shot was ready, it's time for me to run ads. So now I had a lot of video ad creatives. 2 or 3 was made by me, and the rest of those videos were downloaded from TikTok itself. So I quickly sat down and start running my ads. So firstly, I started my ads on TikTok. For TikTok, I went for ABO ads and I put the budget of $20 per ad set campaign. So after my TikTok ads were published, I went to my second platform, that is Facebook. So I quickly made my sales campaigns on Facebook and did the same, but on Facebook, I tried CBO, so that the Facebook can decide which audience he is going to promote my products to. I didn't targeted it, and I chose the budget of $50 for my Facebook ad campaign. So once my ads were published in both the platforms, I just have to wait for some conversion. So I was continuously reloading both my accounts to see whether there will be any conversion, but I have to wait. Reloading multiple times won't get me any sales. So I was feeling very sleepy. So I decided to left it on both the platforms. If my product will be good enough, then I will definitely get some sales, and the rest of things I left on God. God, please help me. So I woke up next morning, and the surprising factor was that I didn't got any sales through TikTok because the budget was very low as compared to Facebook, and we did got some sales through Facebook. I got 2 orders for this particular product. So guys, I did try my best to cover everything while completing this challenge, and I know I missed a lot of things to cover in this particular video because I have to showcase everything in a very less time span. But if you find this video really helpful and it motivates you somehow to do US dropshipping, do try your hands on US dropshipping as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below